In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search more effectively in Slack. By the end, you'll be able to quickly find messages, files, channels, and people without scrolling endlessly. Start at the search bar at the top of Slack. This is your command center for finding almost anything across your workspace. Think of what you're looking for and start with clear, specific keywords. For example, if you remember a discussion about a project launch, type project launch. Slack looks through messages, file names, and even some file contents, then shows you the most relevant results. If you're on desktop or mobile, the process is the same. Tap or click the search bar, type your terms, and watch suggestions and filters appear as you go. To really narrow things down, use search filters. First, the from filter. Type from, then a colon, and the person. If you want only your own messages, try from me. This is perfect for finding something you know you wrote earlier. Next, the in filter. Type in, then a colon, and the channel name, like in Josh's project channel. This restricts results to that specific channel, which is especially helpful when you know where the conversation happened, but not exactly when. There's also the has file filter. Type has file to show only results that include a file attachment. Use this when you remember sharing a slide deck, a PDF, or a screenshot along with your message. When you need an exact phrase match, wrap your search in quotation marks. For instance, product launch returns only messages that contain those words together in that order. This is great for cutting through noise when your keywords are common on their own. If you're unsure of the exact wording or want to include variations, use the asterisk as a wildcard. Typing design will match design, designer, or designing. It's a quick way to cover multiple related forms of a term without guessing which one was used. You can combine all of these to get laser-focused results. For example, you might search from me in /project channel quarterly report. Has file to pull up your own message in a specific channel that included a file and that exact phrase. As you scan results, click or tap any item to jump straight to the message in its original context, so you can read what came before and after. If you see too many results, add another filter or an exact phrase. If you see too few, remove one filter or try a broader keyword. That's it. With keywords, filters like from, in, and has, file, exact phrases and quotes, and the wildcard, you'll move from hunting to finding in seconds. Give it a try the next time you're in Slack, and watch your productivity jump.